Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, tinted glass, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.